Welcome to BrassCraft's How to Install a Flare Fitting video. Flare fittings are typically used with aluminum, copper, brass, and welded steel. These fittings are extensively used in potable and non-potable water system, fuel, oil, air, liquid petroleum or LP, and natural gas connections. Flare fittings are designed for higher pressure systems, producing a pressure-resistant, leak-tight seal. Flared connections offer a high degree of long-term reliability. Flare fittings are available in a broad range of sizes and configurations: caps, plugs, unions, elbows, adapters, and T's, to name a few. For this installation, we'll need a 45-degree SAE-style flaring tool, tube cutter, reamer, thread oil, and 2 adjustable wrenches. First, make sure the tubing is cut square and free from any damage, including dings, dents, or gouges that may prevent the connection from sealing properly. Inspect the tube to make sure it's free of burrs, paint, putty, sealants, or other debris. Next, slide the nut onto the tube with the threaded end facing outward toward the end of the tube. Flare the tubing end with the 45-degree flare tool. Examine the flare for surface imperfections, splitting, and adequate flare size. After flaring is complete, thread the flare nut onto the fitting. A drop of lubricating oil will ease nut assembly. Using one wrench to stabilize the fitting, the other to tighten the nut, tighten until the assembly feels solid. Then tighten a quarter turn more. Be careful not to over-tighten the connection, as this may damage the flare or fitting. Attach the tubing to the other end of the fitting, then check for leaks. If a leak is present, tighten the appropriate nut. Your installation is now complete.